Good morning from day whatever on this vacation. Today is relax, chill day, and this area has a park. So let's go check out this little playground park thing. Just finished up with the castle playground. I'll be showing you all more of that later. Hopefully I'm going to be doing a full resort tour of all the different amenities that they have here and show you in even more detail of that place. But Joe and I, right now, we're separated from Abigail, Andrea, and Katie. They decided to go the non-pathway. We're going the pathway, and we're going to the basketball courts. We're gonna play a little bit of b-ball. You excited?
Yeah.
Got a Spider-Man basketball.
I asked Andrew if we could do a 2v2 kids versus parents.
Uh-oh, let me go get it. Uh-oh, lost your shoe. Back to water mode.
Oh, he ran. Oh, another baby one. Oh, they're running everywhere.
We are heading towards the pool. It looks a little dark, so I think we're gonna get some rain. But as long as it's not a thunderstorm, like thunder and lightning, we should be fine. We should be good.
At least it's better not in the sun where we don't have to be blazing hot.
Correct. He is very, very true about that. So, walking to the pool, I'm gonna go back to water mode. Entering water mode now. Got a gigantic beach ball Heading to Abigail. Josiah is playing with some of the water things that he got. Just enjoying the water, floating on a ball, and going to Abigail.
Got in here, I was burning up. I know we can cook and burn.
I can't want this, Daddy.
You can't want what?
I can't want this animal. I can't want the animal.
Daddy shark.
Let me see your hand.
Can you see yourself? Can you hold the camera?
I was like, you just took him
I can't want the camera. Nice, nice shark.
Go swim to Mommy Shark with the camera. Take the camera. Take the camera.
Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark.
Okay, ready.
Go under the water. It's time out. Come here. Come here. Come here. Abigail. Swim to Daddy. Abigail. Swim to Daddy. Abigail. Come here. Come swim to Daddy. Ah, Daddy saved you.
Uh-oh. Come here, is it my turn? Akio Abigail.
Water mode done. We are leaving the water area, headed back to our room. We're gonna make some dinner. I think we're gonna do hamburgers tonight. I'm not 100%, but time for some food. The weather did hold off, which was nice. We didn't have to get out because of lightning or anything like that. Weather held off nicely, so I think I'm ready for a burger.
You got a pee too? Will you put that guy in there? That's perfect.
Let it go. That's for my animals.